Alaykum salam wa barakatuh.
My question is...
Where are you?
I'm here.
Yes, sir.
Sorry. Jazakallah for... May Allah give you barakah in your ilm and everything. I wanted to ask, men are given Hurul Ain in Jannah. We are told...
Yeah, this question is for women. Women should ask this question.
Because I'm asking for my wife. This question is on behalf of my wife.
Okay.
So we are told we are getting even 70 and more and
No.
Whatever.
Yeah, okay.
I'm not very sure. That's the hadith.
I'll answer you.
And so what is the women getting also on the other side?
First of all, the misconception of all men are going to get 72 hur al-ain. No, this is not true. This is for who? For shaheed, the one who dies, the martyr in the battlefield. And the martyr is the one who dies where? In the battlefield. If someone was injured in the battlefield and taken to a hospital for a week, and then he dies in the hospital, is he a martyr? No, he's not. So the martyr is the one who dies on the battlefield, and he will be rewarded 70 plus hur. You and I, if, and that's a big IF with caps lock, bold font, red letter font, and double underlining. If we make it to Jannah, we will get 2 hur. And your worldly life wife. And that wife would surpass the beauty of any hur'in. They're like servants compared to the human believer wife in Jannah. There is no comparison at all. Again, the wife says, Sheikh, but I'm jealous. I don't want him to have hur'in. And I get crazy wacko men. Wallahi, crazy men. He says, Sheikh, I love my wife. Can I make dua? Oh Allah, don't grant me hur al-ain. I said, yeah, you can ask Allah not to get you into Jannah. It's easier. Why would you make such a dua? This is transgression in dua. I don't want to break her heart. Then you are an ignorant imbecile. If you think that your wife is going to go to Jannah and have an atom weight of jealousy or have her heart broken, then you don't know Jannah. Allah the Almighty promised us with what no eyes had seen, with what no ear had heard, with what no heart had ever imagined. Allah promised us that there is no grudges, no hatred, no envy, no jealousy, no ill feelings. You as a woman will be in Jannah, and happiness and content is 1000% guaranteed from Allah. Now the question is, do you trust Allah or not? All the women are shocked. Of course, Sheikh, we don't want to go to hell. We trust Allah, we trust Allah. Then stop this nonsense. Not your wife, I'm talking generally. Stop this nonsense and asking stupid questions. Allah told you you will be satisfied beyond imagination. Don't you believe Allah? Yes, I do. Khalas. Put a full stop. Again, men by nature can love more than one woman. In their heart, in their DNA, it's there. That's why we are allowed to marry 4. Some of the companions before Islam, they were married to 8. And when they became a Muslim, the Prophet said, keep 4 and discharge 4. You cannot have more than 4 wives. How can they have 4 wives? I don't know. I could barely live with one. But alhamdulillah. But people are different. They have the ability to love more than one woman. Women cannot. And in the 70s, they had an old song, torn between 2 lovers, feeling like a fool. Loving both of you is breaking all the rules. So loving 2 men is breaking all the rules. And this is a kafir woman. She's singing. This is not possible. This is human nature. So this is what Allah has awarded and granted women in Jannah with the guarantee from Allah, full satisfaction. They should not even think about this if they have full iman. And Allah knows.